guys, my name is Annika. I go to Woodside High School, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the aluminum foil boat experiment for your science fair. So the purpose of this experiment is to learn which shape of a boat holds the most weight. And to do that, we're going to need to gather some materials. Some will be in your kit and some will not be. The things that will be in your kit are 4 sheets of aluminum foil, a box of paper clips, and this paper. The things that will not be in your kit are a Tupperware or bowl container and some water. Additionally, you're gonna need a pen and yeah. So the first step that we need to do is fill your Tupperware container or bowl with 2 to 3 inches of water. Just enough so that your boats can float. That should be good. The next step is to create your boats. So you're gonna get 4 sheets of aluminum foil, and each aluminum foil piece will be used to create one boat. See, I've already made mine. And I've also labeled them to keep track of which boats are which you can do with just a normal Sharpie. The next step of this experiment is to put the boats in the water, for example, and start putting in paper clips. Oh. So as you can see, I put my boat in the water, and sometimes if it's not staying up straight, then you can add a paper clip in there just to start. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add in more and more paper clips to see how many this boat will hold. This one's holding a good amount. When I did this experiment last time, we didn't add enough water, so you have to make sure that you add enough water so that your boat will float and not just sink. As you can see, the boat is slowly tipping over, but it hasn't sunk yet, so we're gonna keep adding in these paper clips. And there it goes. Okay, next step is you're gonna take out your boat, make sure you get all the water out, and you're gonna put all of your paper clips down on the table. You're gonna put your boat to the side and remember the number. So this one was boat number 4. Then you're gonna count how many paper clips were in your boat. This one had 33 paper clips. So we're gonna bring out our little sheet that we got in our kit, and boat number 4, we're gonna describe how that boat was built. This one was longish and sort of like a canoe. So we can write canoe-like. And long. So for the first try, we had 33 paper clips. And the next step is to repeat this entire part with all of your other boats. Once you get all of your first tries, we're gonna do the experiment a second time. The reason we do this a second time is to make sure that our results from the first try were correct. It's an important step in any scientific experiment. So make sure that when you're testing the experiment or doing the experiment one more time, that you use the same boats and put them in the same rows. After you calculate or figure out how many paper clips were in the boats the second time, you're gonna wanna write that number down in this column right here. After that, you're gonna wanna calculate the average. If you know how to do that, that's awesome. And if you don't, Just ask a family member or a teacher or someone at school or someone at home. Congratulations, you have now completed your boat experiment. We're so excited to see you at the science fair and see what you learned.